Allah has made clear his every decision. If anyone or not, if the mankind recognizes the Quran, he would have had a religion today. Allah said, man will be resurrected after death. But man refused that it is impossible. It may never happen. The disciples refused to resurrect. Then the Creator said, the earth denies the actions of man. The disbelievers refused. Para number 29 Surah Qiyamah 3:4. Translation. Does man think that we will not assemble his bones? For yes, we will be able to collect it. We are able to make the knuckles of his fingers. Another place is Irshad. Para number 3 Surah Al-Baqarah 259. Translation. Then you will see how we lift the bones and then put meat on them. The Quran instructs man to witness the deeds of man on the day of resurrection and to observe them. Para number 30 Surah Zalzala 4:5 Translation. On that day, the earth will describe its conditions, because his Lord has commanded him to do so. 5 Translation. When man observes this universal book on the day of resurrection, he will say, Para number 15 Surah Al-Kahf 49. Translation. And the book of deeds will be placed in front, then you will see that the criminals are scared to see its contents and are saying this. Woe to us! What kind of book is this? He has not left out any small or big thing, but he has recorded all of them, and all that they have done will be witnessed by them, and your Lord does not wrong anyone. Ever since Allah Almighty sent Adam to earth, he has also sent a series of guidance. Mankind has openly denied monotheism, prophethood, leadership and resurrection. But Allah Almighty has announced his decision. Similarly, the movement of the earth was beyond the comprehension of the people. Was the Quran only for those who were in the present? The Quran is a source of guidance until the Day of Judgment. The meaning and subject matter of the Quran can never change. But man understands only as much as he has the ability. There are deserving and incompetent students in the classroom. Won't the teacher teach because of incompetent students? And to say that the verse of the movement of the earth, if it was revealed, people would not be able to understand the movement, so this objection is wrong. The Quran and Hadith are the living word for the people till the Day of Judgment, and the Day of Judgment is the source of guidance. Many Hadiths of the Prophet, peace be upon him, were not understood by the people, but today science is proving it. See the hundreds of ups and downs of the universe. The sun is many times smaller than the earth. Friends, if you like the video, please like and share it. Thank you.